All right, so in this video, we're given f of x is a rational function and g of x is a point, and we need to find the composite functions, basically f of g of x and g of f of x. So let's start with f of g of x. We have this function on the outside, and g of x is just a point over here, and the x value of this point is 4. And the y value of the point is 0. So over here, I know that I'm just replacing my x with 4. And I'm just substituting this. So g of 4, I know that the y value is just 0. So I'm going to replace g of 4 with my y value of 0. And now I'm just finding f of 0, which is subbing 0 into this equation. So that's just 0 minus 0 minus 25 divided by 0 minus 4, which is negative 25 over negative 4, which is just 25 over 4. So I know that the x value in this one was just 4, positive 4. That's what I replaced x with at the start. So for f of g of x, it's just going to equal to positive 4. And I know that the y value of this composite function is 25 over 4. So that would be my answer for f of g of x. For g of f of x, it's a bit more complicated because I have an entire function over here for f of x. So this is just g of the entire function divided by x minus 4. Now, this has infinite x values. But if you look at the function on the outside, the g function, it only has one x value of 4, and the y value is 0. So basically, I need to figure out g of whatever this number is. This all is my x value, and the y value is going to be 0. So I'm going to take this all and I'm going to equate it to the x value of my point over here to actually figure out where the x value will equal to 4. The y value is just going to be 0, and that's going to be the same in my final answer. So I'm going 4x squared minus 12x minus 25 over x minus 4 equals, I'm going to equate this to the x value of my equation. Now I have to solve this. So I'm just going to cross multiply that over. This becomes 4x minus 16. Then I'm going to move these two terms to this side and combine all my like terms. So 4x squared minus 16x minus 9 equals 0. Now I can factor this. So what multiplies to negative 36 and adds to negative 16? That's going to be negative 18 and positive 2. So I have 4x squared minus 18x plus 2x minus 9 equals to 0. Common factor here is 2x, 2x minus 9. Common factor here is 1. So 2x plus 1, 2x minus 9 equals to 0. So here my solution is x equals negative 1 over 2. And here my solution is x equals positive 9 over 2. So this just means that my x values, so if I do g of f of x, I know that there's only two x values that exist for this function. -1/2. I'll leave the y value blank for now. And the other one is 9/2. The y values of these functions I can get from the original point. The y value is just going to be 0.